24-hour hot coffee. Welcome to my favorite things. In this, your coffee will stay hot for 24 hours. Why? Because this has been sitting here for 24 hours and I'm going to just let you know through the screen that this is still warm. So amazing. Look at the size of this. This is like an 80 ounce, okay? And I've searched high and low. Look, I look at a lot of reviews. I look at a lot of videos, a lot of images. I read a lot of comments about products. And when I got to this product, I was really impressed. Now, it is a little more of a cost than some of the other similar type of offerings, but the quality outweighs the price. It's not too expensive, okay? But oh my gosh, look at the size. So I have placed coffee, hot coffee. If you're a person who likes to drink coffee throughout the day and maybe you don't want to just make 4 or 5 trips to your favorite coffee shop, go ahead and pour your favorite hot beverage. It could be coffee, tea, soup in here. And I want to show you that what this comes with. Look at this. So you have this top here, which is really huge. This nice little cup here, okay? You can use this as a cup. That's what I use because I like to drink a lot of coffee. All right, and this is pretty cool. Look at this filter here, okay? It's really durable. I really want you to see, you just open this, okay, like that. It's really, really durable. Solid, very durable. Look at this heavy duty handle, okay? So anyways, let's go ahead and pour some coffee in here. And then I have some freshly brewed coffee that I am going to pour, and I'm going to give you my absolute review. All right, so this is the coffee that has been in here. Let's go ahead and add some cream and sugar. Of course, you'll add whatever you like. I like a little bit of sugar. Substitute. Sometimes I like to put a pinch of real sugar too. Some creamer. All right, and now let's stir this up. This is the fun part. I wish you were here. I would absolutely make you a cup. I would absolutely, whatever you want. You want your coffee black, extra sweet. You want coffee with your creamer, whatever it is. Okay, so let's see. This is it here. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This coffee is still warm. It is, I'm telling you, I have never seen anything like this. And the reason why I recommend something like this, and by the way, I'll just go ahead and drop the link of where I got mine because I'm in love with it. I'm just letting you know that my review is, this is awesome. Okay, so this here. Now, I also use, you know, like most of us, these type of tumblers, which I've had coffee in, but this does not stay hot or warm for 24 hours. Okay, this does. This absolutely does, okay? All right, so now let's go ahead and get the freshly brewed coffee, and I'll give you my review in comparison with this. Pouring freshly brewed coffee. Look at that. All right, and now let me go ahead and add a little bit of sugar substitute and some creamer. And now let's go ahead and just taste test this in comparison, just to see, get an idea of how fresh this coffee is. Okay, so, and I want to bring your attention to this. I put about the same amount of coffee. Look at this, if you can see it, the same amount of coffee and the same amount of sugar and creamer. So, you know, when your coffee sits for a while in your coffee pot, it can get darker and darker. And I don't know if you heard of burnt coffee, but you can absolutely burn coffee. And so it gives it a more bitter taste, burnt taste, if you will. What I noticed right away in looking at the two of these is that this is very dark and this is not. So that is because this has been sitting in this wonderful, wonderful product here. And it just stays warm. It's not necessarily on brew, it just stays warm. And so I really like that. But now for the truth, the moment of truth will be to taste it. Let's see. This is good too. All of it's good, okay? All of it's good. This is good. Let me taste this one. This is good too. I will tell you that I can tell that this is freshly brewed just by the taste. Let me taste it again. I'm just finding excuses to taste test for you. I'm gonna taste test for you. Yeah, I can tell, but this is a great solution. I cannot say it enough for those of you, maybe if you want to put this by your desk or bed or couch, if you're a person and you simply pour your beverage, if you're traveling and you don't want to continually stop and get coffee, take this. If you're at work, at your desk, you can absolutely put this on your desk and enjoy your coffee or tea or whatever soup throughout the day. This stays warm. I think it's great. Not only that, you can flavor your coffee anyway. You can be your own cafe, okay? And it saves you money. Think about that. All that money you're spending to go buy 2, 3, 4 cups of coffee a week, a day for some of us. This is a great cost saver, and it's efficient, and I love it. Let me know. Are you going to go get this? What do you think about this? I'm telling you, 24 hours, friend. 24 hours. Wow. Hey, if you would like to collaborate, I'd be happy to review your product. Send me a direct message. I can't wait to see you next time. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and follow, and tell your friends.